Welcome to Web Design Business Mastery, from freelancer to six-figure agency. I'm thrilled you're here, and let me tell you, you've just made one of the smartest decisions you can make for your creative and financial future. Whether you're a web designer looking to turn your side hustle into a real business, or someone dreaming of building a thriving agency from the ground up, this course is going to walk you through it all. Step by step, no fluff. Before we dive in, let me paint the big picture for you. The world is more online than ever. Every business, from local shops to global brands, needs a website that's not just beautiful, but strategic. That's where you come in. And the opportunity? It's massive. But let's be honest, being a great designer is no longer enough. If you want to thrive, you need to learn how to run a business, attract the right clients, price your work confidently, and deliver results that turn into long-term income. This course is designed to help you do exactly that. Here's what you can expect. We'll start with the essentials: foundational design knowledge, industry tools, and how to build sites that actually convert visitors into customers. If you're already confident in your design skills, awesome. This part will be a quick tune-up. If you're newer to design, don't worry. I'll help you get up to speed fast. Then we'll get into the juicy stuff: how to niche down, build your personal brand, and set up your business the right way from the start. We'll talk about the not-so-sexy but essential things like legal setup, pricing strategies, proposals, and contracts. I'll share templates and workflows you can use instantly. Next, we'll cover the real game changer: client acquisition. No more waiting around for referrals. I'll show you how to attract clients consistently through content, outreach, and platforms like Upwork and LinkedIn, and how to sell your services without feeling salesy. Once you've landed the client, we'll go deep into your process: how to run discovery calls, manage feedback, and deliver a professional experience from the first email to the final handoff. You'll even learn how to transition one-off clients into monthly retainers and recurring revenue. And if your goal is to scale beyond yourself, we've got an entire section on building your team, automating workflows, and growing into an agency. Every single lecture in this course is built from real-world experience, not theory. I've worked with clients, built profitable systems, made plenty of mistakes, and now I'm packaging everything I've learned so you can avoid the hard parts and fast-track your growth. So take a deep breath. You don't need to figure this out alone. Throughout the course, feel free to pause, take notes, and revisit any section that's especially relevant to you right now. You don't have to implement everything at once. Treat this like your personal business roadmap. All right, let's do this. Click Next, and let's start building the web design business you've always dreamed of.